Coach, 3 points. Team didn't start as you'd expect it to be. Do you think that's much sharpness?
3 points is always important. How we scored some of the goals today were good. The pitch is extremely bad, but we still try to play some football, which is a good sign. We haven't played a game competitively for a while, so I think we look a little bit off rhythm. We like to play on a particular rhythm. I hope we can get some games going this week and try to get a rhythm going forward.
Front line. Even though they scored a lot of goals, how much goals you get overall from the front line?
Personally, I wasn't checking. I think though our cohesion, our work rate in the forward line has to be a little bit more. I think we played down to the level of the opponent, which is never a good sign. But definitely, these are youngsters who will have to learn these lessons from this game. You won a game and you score 8 goals, and there's still room for improvement, so that's a good sign.
Disappointed with the goal they conceded? Think defense could have done a lot better?
We're leading on 6-0, and I think we had a play in the middle third, which we had no right in terms of losing that ball there. We lost the ball and we created a transitional moment for them. We were very high, didn't react with our counter press and the score. But it's how we want to play stuff like that. But we cannot give away the ball like easily. That's it.
All right.
So let's see after that.
Bless up, yeah?